Hello students, a new chapter of exponents and radicals, exponents and powers. In this chapter you will be reading out some of the rules to solve the question and you will understand what the exponent and power means. Now in the lower classes you must have studied of the addition, that suppose when a number is added for too many times we call it as the repeated addition. Suppose the number 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, these are added. Now we say that 2 is added to 4 times and we write it in the multiplication form as 4 into 2, as 2 is added to itself for 4 times. So we are writing it as 4 into 2. Now if in place of addition the multiplication is there, suppose 2 is multiplied to itself for 4 times, then we are getting it as 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. But this is for only 4 times. If the same number is multiplied for too many times, then we express it in terms of the powers and we write it as 2 to the power 4, as 2 is multiplied to itself 4 times. Here 2 is said to be the base and 4 is said to be the exponent. And we write this as 2 to the power, we call it as 2 to the power 4. This means 2 is the base and 4 times this 2 is multiplied to itself. 2 to the power 7, this means that 2 is multiplied to itself 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 2 is multiplied to itself 7 times. So we are writing this in the form as 2 to the power 7. 2 to the power 7 is 2 multiplied to itself for 7 times. So we are writing this in terms of the powers. Now you have read about the integers also. Just to see that 2 to the power 7 is written like this. Then the integers are there, it is having the positive number and the negative number. If suppose the power is negative, this 2 to the power minus 1, this 2 to the power minus 1 we write it as 2 to the power 1 upon this is the reciprocal of 2. We write this as 1 upon 2 to the power 1. So any power which is in negative can be made positive by writing it as 1 upon the same number. Suppose this 3 is there, 3 to the power minus 5, 3 to the power minus 5, then this means 1 upon 3 to the power 5. It is written in the numerator and denominator form where numerator is 1. Now as we solve the questions and answers, we need to solve some of the rules. We need to understand some of the rules by which we can understand the exponent and powers and how we can solve them. When we are writing the inverse of the number, then just see a to the power minus m. This means 1 upon a to the power m, and 1 upon a to the power m, this is also said to be as the inverse of this one. A to the power m is inverse or you can say is the multiplicative inverse. Is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power minus 1. A to the power m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power minus m, and a to the power minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a to the power m. So there are too many laws that you need to understand that how we can solve. The first law is a to the power m upon a to the power n. A to the power n is a to the power m minus n. The second law is a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Now I will be explaining you these two laws and then we'll explain the other laws. So first I will explain this one. A to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Just see the example that suppose we take 4. 4 into 4 into 4. We take it as this. Then again we multiply 4 into 4. Now here we can write as 4 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 2. 3 times 4 is multiplied, so it is written 4 to the power 3. 2 times 4 is multiplied is written as 4 to the power 2. And together we can see that this is written as 4 to the power 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we can write as 4 to the power this 3 plus 2. So it is 4 to the power 5. So the power gets added when the same base is there with different power is multiplied. Power gets added up. The second one, a to the power m upon a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. Now let us take the example. Suppose 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 2 is there. Now we write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here 2 into 2. Now we can cancel the common terms. What you get is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 2 is multiplied to itself 4 times. So 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 2, this is 2 to the power 4, and how we can get it? As 2 to the power 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. It is 2 to the power 4. So that is how we are subtracting when the powers are in division form with the same base, different power. They are in division form or in the ratio form, then the power is subtracted. Power gets subtracted. So that a to the power m upon a to the power n is equals to a to the power m minus n. Now in my next video I will be telling you some more laws of exponents.